Hi everyone, I'm Ross Laycock from Green Taylor Partners. Today I just want to give you a very basic quick overview of tax for individuals. We're looking at why we pay tax, who pays the tax and how to lodge your tax return. Now why do we pay the tax? Now as we know, the government's always looking to collect extra tax, and they do this in order to provide the facilities for all of us. Building works, roads, public facilities, etc. that we can use day by day. Hospitals, all those sorts of things. Who pays the tax? Well, basically, anyone who is 18 and over, who earns income of more than $18,200 will be expected to pay some tax. There are some special rules relating to those that are under 18 but do receive some income, but we won't worry about that today. How much tax we pay? Well, basically we pay between 19 and 45 cents in the dollar as it stands at the moment, plus what they call a Medicare levy, which we all pay. This, of course, depends on our income level, which is based on our income, less any allowable deductions that we might have against that income to get back to that net taxable income. How is it collected? Well, each individual is allocated a unique number, which is called a TFN, or a tax file number. The tax is then collected either by your employers, which is called PAYE, pay as you earn, and it's withheld from your wages on a weekly or monthly basis, depending on how you pay. It's also collected by the tax office itself under the PAYG, which is pay as you go. So instead of having, you might not have wages, but instead of taking out your wages, they expect you to pay your tax as you go during the year. So you pay instalments, usually quarterly. The amount of tax is verified upon lodgement of your tax return at the end of the year to make a decision as to whether you've overpaid or underpaid your tax, and make sure you've met your obligation. Now, who must lodge a return? Everyone, as I said, who are earning over $18,200 needs to lodge a tax return. There are some other instances where it needs to be done. Those earning less than $18,200 and they might have had some tax withheld from, say, wages. They might be working part-time. A little bit of tax may have been withheld. They might be entitled to claim that back at the end of the year. And there, as I said, there are some other rules regarding under 18s with income which is not necessarily earned, but they might receive a trust distribution or something similar, and they might also need to lodge their tax returns. What do we need to do to prepare and lodge your tax returns? You need details, of course, of your wages or salaries earned. You need any Centrelink payments that you received during the year. You need details of those. You also need details of any investment income that you might have also received. But it might be rent, might be bank interest, it might be some other business income. So you need details of all those. You also then, to offset some of that income, you might have some allowable deductions. Now there's heaps of those, and you might need to have a bit of read about those or talk to your accountant who might be lodging a tax return for you. So there might be something that you can offset some of that income to reduce the amount of tax that you need to pay. So if you get all those things together, you can come and see one of your trusted accountants, and they will help you to get your lodgement done. Thank you very much.